Hey there guys, this is George for Weekend Travels. Thanks for joining me. We're out here in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Now behind me, that is the Lee statue, which sits atop the Virginia State Monument. It's where he would have sat on his horse, kind of looked out to where Pickett's charge will eventually take place on July the 3rd, 1863. The statue is actually built by Tiffany & Company out of New York. Quite interesting, being a Southern statue. So, but we're not here to talk about the statue. I could talk about the statue for hours. We're here to talk about this. Now this over here, this is a new addition to the Robert E. Lee statue. And this is so cool. I came about this today. That's on one of the groups on Facebook. I just had to show it off. So this is a map of Gettysburg. And each number represents different areas. And on the side, you got like Seminary Ridge. There's the Virginia Memorial, North Carolina Memorial, Emmitsburg Road, Little Round Top, the Abram Bryan Farm, Cemetery Ridge, crops the trees, the Peach Orchard, Benner's Hill, and of course you got Culp's and Cemetery Hill. And this is pretty cool. A nice little map, because if you look out this way from where we're standing with the number 11, you can see exactly everything in front of how July the 3rd would have played off. And of course, we went on to learn more about what happened, the storm of the battle. We had this little placard here as well by the National Park Service, U.S. Department of Interior. So the next time you're in Gettysburg and you're out here in Confederate Avenue, check out not only the Robert E. Lee statue, check out that new little monument. It's so cool. It is added. It gets a new in-depth and insight to what happened here July the 3rd, 1863. All right, guys. Till next time. Peace.